Today we're back on the Arkansas River, throwing what we always throw: topwater and Cordell Gay Blade, chartreuse color, which is.
As soon as I get the line straight, dude, it's like bam.
I'm waiting,
Okay, maybe not.
still waiting for that bite.
Come on, dude.
It's Connery and 47 out today. Hybrid Killer had to go do other competition, other duties in Minnesota during the July 4th weekend.
Hey, man, Shabby.
You see the Shabby jumping over there?
Oh, there it is. I really should retire this.
You really should retire it. That's what you should retire it.
Oh, damn.
Couple good hits. Up in this general area, we've been seeing a lot of good action over here. White bass chasing shad.
There we go.
And he got one now. Look at that. No cut. No cut. And I'm throwing topwater. They're not that committed to the topwater today, but well, they are, but
Right there.
they are, but they're just not super committed today.
Oh, ow. Ow, that's I got you.
So far, I got a couple good ones. I think we need more water. Where's the other hat? Anyhow, I gotta go fishing. I officially marked this thing as mine. More towards the back of here. Oh, it's nope. Too small. Oh. I say it's too small, but going pretty good. That's not. Yeah, that's only chip on the fish on there. Man, but oh no. Oh no. Good? Today should be called Stalking the Key. Yeah, you did get him there, huh?
On the drop, son. This is how I fish, guys. I only fish on the drop style.
On the drop, I'm not going.
Oh, man, this guy's fighting pretty good. I'm gonna change up the camera here. I got a free one here.
Actually, I got the white black one. All the way over there. I got a small one too. You throw it out. I'll throw it back.
Come down. Come down, come down.
One silver right there. You go past it. Oh, 4 bites, man. 4 tail bites.
Oh, maybe it did make a difference. I didn't get a bite. Let me go back. Come on. I guess it doesn't matter.
That's a big fish.
Yeah, that should be something. Yep, but I think the green definitely yeah, that's good. I couldn't see the white one. I do like this real rock combo.
Oh, yeah.
I need to move forward so that's the speed. Oh, doubled up. Doubled up. Up. As soon as they hit my top gear, you will come up. It's been in this. Come on. Oh, dude, I got this. Big one. I know it's big, it's not floating at all. Yeah, dude. This was pretty good, Con. Back in again on one. Get my workout on, guys. And I'm done out. Yep. That's important there, boys. Link white last one. People add me on Oxford. Captain Hood, you missing out, yo. White bass blitz everywhere, every cast. What? Is out? Yeah. We're down here, man. The first pool starts, but dude, it is so crazy. You see blitz after blitz, and literally like every other cast you get one. Every cast, yeah, everybody can't like everybody you'll hit like this. Okay, blitz again, but you still hit. I'm not on yet. Oh, and it's off! And it's off! Oh, this looks so good. Oh, dude, look at that. Taking drag, yo. Full drag. Yeah, I'm gonna save this out. Okay. And the wheel, got one. Double again. Oh, dude, my shit got off. Oh, it's okay. You can plug that in about top of your shit. Oh, nice one, man. Oh, okay. Here's a look at the lure I'm using today. This is a Cordell Daybreak. This is a big size one. Cast in the water, tying up my line, get ready for a strike. Yeah, dude, I'm on a fisher. I didn't even know it. Oh, I got off. There you go. Good one. Good one. That's funny. You don't usually do that very often. I'm gonna try to pull it. never mind. It's still good. It's really pretty good. Oh, pretty decent one. Oh shit, he's barely hurt. Well, you guys get these decent sized black bass. Yeah, you get these really black bass. You and Tari keep doubling it up on some good fish right now. Yeah, dude, this guy's Magnum, dude. Look at this. I feel like Magnum too. We got so good. Yeah. Come on! Oh yeah. Damn, he got off. Pretty nice white bass. Alright, let's just finish. Yeah, I'm about to just full. I'm onto my vacuum, dude. Oh, you do a vacuum? Yeah. So it's worth it. Hell yeah. Come on, vacuum. We had an emergency right there. Oh, careful, Mike, watch it. You're about that 7-1 gear ratio. Woo! That shit was no joke. What? You're not too far. I like to find fish today, for sure. Oh my gosh.
So what you do?
Burned down.
That's how you know we're old.
Probably have to go back and realign ourselves.
So you see how it's hitting your
Yeah. A little bit, though. It's not bad.
Oh, I think it's another chaser.
It's not coming in.
Make it tires out.
It's trying to come in. It's okay. Just a little bit.
Yeah, dude, just let it go. Just let it go out. It's perfect right here. If you can stay right here, it'd be awesome. Alright, we're gonna stay right here, it will be awesome. Oh, it looks too awesome. Too awesome. Fish still on.
Fish is still on. I hope my fish is still on. Hey, this guy's they're not hitting the butter this started recording.
Hey, this guy's gonna take a few of these. Nice one, bro. I'm gonna let him go. Oh yeah. Dang, I didn't flash up the camera. Can hook on. Look at this guy. Come here, look at this. Damn, do you need to go? Oh, he's slowly coming.
He's not coming. Whoa.
Ready? Fish on.
I think you need to stop throwing this liquid. Let's not see you big fish.
That's a good thing. Yeah, sharper! Watch me catch like 2 fish for each guy.
Get him. What's my fish? It's a fish. It's heavy.
Looks long. This one hooked on 5. One net. Guess I'll buy you dinner if you get this one in. Yeah. Guess we're going to McDonald's.